Rockets in Houston tied at 1 game apiece. Dikembe Mutombo's 18-year career done after injuring his knee in Game 2. Not only has he been a great player, but also a great person, honored for the second time with the J. Walker Kennedy Citizenship Award before the game. To the action we go. Houston up big in the second quarter. Von Wafer with the McNasty flush there. So nice. You got to see it twice. Look at the little fella get up there with the mohawk and all. Rockets led by 11 at the break. Third quarter, Steve Blake to LaMarcus Aldridge with the Monster Jam. Had 27 and 12 in Game 2. Started this game 2 for 8 from the field. Later, it's Aldridge with the block on Aaron Brooks. Ron Artest is going to end up with it. He's testing his range, and he's good from there. 66-54, Rockets in complete control. Fourth quarter, it's Blake with the steal. Stop, pop from three-point range. Portland right back in this thing, 73-69. Shane Battier, he's got an answer, though. Triple-dipping himself, 16 points in the game for him. Portland guard Brandon Roy single-handedly turned this into a series, scoring 42 points in Game 2. Not a great night on Friday. 19 points, 6 for 18 from the field. 4-point game. About a minute to go in the fourth is Louis Scola scorching the J. He had 19 points, the lead up to 6. Later, it's Aldridge. He's hitting the three to give his team some hope with under 30 to go. On the inbounds play, Aaron Brooks going up court. Brandon Roy hits him on the arm and fouls out of the game. That's not good news for Portland. 81-77, Rudy Fernandez sinks the three, had 5 trays in the game, 17 points. His team down 5 now, and Steve Blake getting them within 2. Aaron Brooks fouled. He would go to the free throw line, make 1 free throw, miss the second, and get his own rebound, securing the win. As Houston runs out of the building with a win, 86-83. They assume a 2-1 series lead, returning to Houston for Game 4 on Sunday.